When it comes to cleaning your suppressors and the mounts, I've been trying a bunch of different things over the years, and pretty often using a Dremel with a steel wheel to get in the crevices and all that stuff and get rid of lead, but it can be still tough to do. So recently I ordered one of these off Amazon. It's a steel bristled brush, and you put it into your drill, you check it up, and then put that in the rear of your can to clean the threads. And I've started using a welder's brush as well, so we'll see how that works out versus using the Dremel. Now, one thing about these 51 tooth mounts is that it can be hard to get the can into the last tooth. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get it snug and see if I can do this one-handed. Hold on a second. Okay. So let's go ahead and so you can hear the clicks. Okay, so this is the last valley right here. As it tries to climb over the next tooth, all right, that's what you get. You see this popping up. And so when that happens and you can't get to that next tooth, don't worry about it, because if you leave it here hand tight, it's just going to back off when you shoot and come back to that last valley, and then you'll get a point of impact change potentially. So I just cleaned the threads in this can with that brush at the drill I told you about. And before, I couldn't get it one more tooth. So right now I got a little bit of rotational play. I can't get to the next tooth, except that having cleaned it, there, we're one more tooth and we are rock solid with no play whatsoever. So that worked out pretty well. Now, John Hollister, if you know who he is, used to work for AAC. He talks about the 51 tooth system and the latch as being a retention device, not a tension device, meaning it keeps from loosening, but you can't use it to tighten, right? So you got to wrap your mind around that idea. So this is going to work fine, right? But if I was, say, back on the tooth and not in the valley, it's not going to work out well. And I can't back it off now because I don't have two hands to do that with, but hopefully you get the idea. So by keeping your stuff clean of all the accumulated carbon and copper that'll build up on there, it gives you the ability to be more effective in mounting your can. And so this will be more concentric and less likely to get an end cap strike. All right.